Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open your Pinterest application. Unfortunately on Pinterest, there is no block list of all the accounts that you have blocked, so you need to find their specific profile. Search for the person that you want to unblock. Tap on their profile. Then simply click on Unblock option. And if you are sure, tap Unblock once again. And this is how you can unblock someone on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.